Did you know there's a Celtic goddess who decides if you live or die in battle? I'm Henry, and today I'm telling you about the Morrigan, the most terrifying goddess you'll ever hear about. Picture this, 3 women floating over bloody battlefields as giant ravens. Maiden, mother and crone, all the same goddess in different forms. She picks which warriors get to go home and which ones don't. But here's where it gets wild. The Morrigan can shapeshift between a beautiful woman and a horrifying crow. She'd appear to doomed soldiers right before battle, telling them their fate with a wicked smile. During the epic battle of Mag Tuired, she offered herself to the hero Cuchulainn. Big mistake rejecting her. She turned into wild animals and tried to kill him during combat. Celtic warriors were so scared they'd leave food offerings, hoping she'd spare them. And if you saw a lone raven before battle, you were already dead. That's why ravens still mean death and war prophecy today. The Morrigan's legacy lives on.